So I've just arrived in Nusa Penida. We've just come to one of the local harbours from we left Chulalongkorn this morning, and we got a taxi. It was about an hour and a half. It cost around about £15. We just arrived here. We didn't book any accommodation, so we went to the first kind of like place where we could get a nice cold drink, supermarket, got on Agoda, and found this place. Okay, so I'm going to take you for a little walking tour around it. First impressions are, it's a little bit on the older side. I wouldn't call it neglected, but it's not far off. But it's got a little bit of character and charm. So let me walk you around and show you what's going on. So we checked in, and this a lovely lady with a little bit of character, which I quite like, checked us in. We're staying in these rooms just here and here. I will do a quick room tour in a moment. So you walk straight into the reception area here. Other rooms are available. It looked like this used to be like a water sports type place. There's a jetty on the outside. There's loads and loads and loads of tables all laid out for kind of like activities, sports. So this either was a kind of place to come, or a place where people would be brought to do all the water sports and the activities. So I'm not quite sure what's happened, but it's very, very quiet. There's no one in, and the place is just lacking a little bit of TLC. The room itself is adequate. It's on right on the budget end. What sold it to me was I just wanted someone local to the harbour, because we don't know whether we're staying or going. We might be going tomorrow morning, we might be staying, we're not quite sure. But it had this pool, which I've just been for the swim, and the water, without being crude, if you had a wee, your wee would be colder than the water. That's how warm the water is here. You got loads of tables all laid out. So this has been, in the past, quite a busy place. So you can see all the posters in the background. We've got jet ski just parked down here. We've got old kayaks going on. At SemayaOne, they've got like this window, which is would have been beautiful back in the day. Kind of like a whole sports things going on, and just behind here, showers, loads of lockers going on. So yeah, let's go check out this little harbour. I'll spin you around, show you the view of the area. Never been to Nusa Penida before, never even had a trip here before. We just kind of like came on a whim, really. We're in Lombongan the other week. We've been in the Gillies, we've been around Bali, been diving all over the place, been Komodo. So I'm at the end of my travels now, so had a quick change of flight. So I've extended to a 2-month holiday now. The harbour we came in on is just around this corner here. Little local harbour. So you got a beach going on. There you go. Bit of an overview. So yeah, a little bit run down. What can I say? It's got a little bit of character, a little bit of charm, and I do actually like the place. Not paid much for it. I've not had breakfast yet. I've only been here a couple of hours. The beer in the fridge is ice cold, which is what a lot of big hotels have not been able to offer. A lot of really good restaurants, the beer's warm. This place, ice cold beer, which is always a bonus as far as I'm concerned. Yep, tide's coming in. Let's take it on this way. I think with a couple of quid, a bit of spit and polish, and a bit of marketing, this place could be something nice again. It obviously has been somewhere beautiful at some point. Whether COVID killed it, whether the Chinese market fell out, because I think they're pretty much pushing towards the Chinese market, looking at all the pictures. Not quite sure. Anyway, let's have a little look at my room. Was chatting with a lady before, not the best English in the world, and I don't speak any Indonesian, so that's fair enough. Asking about an island tour. I didn't realise how big this island was. It's absolutely huge. 8-hour tour, dropping us back off at the harbour. 1.3 million, which is about 65 quid for a car for the day. Not sure if that's a good price or not. And my room. So you can see the furniture needs a touch of care. The door's a bit bangy. But look at this. Lovely big room. Got a flat screen TV that's balancing precariously. Some kind of box to watch telly with. Some really old wallpaper. And icy cold air conditioning with a spot of damp above it. But hey ho. Bathroom. Not had a shower yet. But this, for the money, I think is spot on. I mean, that's really okay. You know, you can't really complain about this. I've not seen a safe. I'm saying no safe, no fridge. Can't see many PowerPoints. Saying that there's one down there. So yeah, happy days. Just my little walking review, my little walking tour of this place. If you do like this kind of content, please do like and subscribe. And I'll end the video with a little shot. Yeah. So they've obviously spent a bit of money here in the past. The logo's like an expensive logo, and the marketing material from the past is quite expensive. So something that's definitely gone on here. Yeah, if you do like this kind of content, please do like and subscribe. If you want to support my little channel, give me a subscribe. It really does help with the I'll get my tongue back in, the YouTube algorithm. If you know anyone who's coming to Bali, this type of area, and think the video will help, give it a share. And thank you for watching, and I will catch you on the next one.